which algorithm would be the best for you for a specific situation? Do you know them all? Back to our modeling. Auto AI tries the algorithms, tunes some hyperparameters, even does additional feature engineering to find the best model for the dataset. The resulting models are ranked. It can be done using multiple methods. ROC, for instance, is a receiver operating characteristic curve, basically a graphical plot that illustrates the diagnostic ability of a binary classifier system. Now, binary classifier system, what is it? Basically, it separates elements of a given set into two groups based on a classification rule. Several other methods include accuracy, average precision, and F1 score. Like F1 score is a measure of test accuracy. It considers both the precision and recall of the test to compute the score. These are some well-known methods of evaluation. We can view the details of the model of our choice. This starts with the evaluation. That gives us the details of how the model performed.